Hello, my name is Thomas and I'm going to be taking you through this week's virtual picture news. Today's edition is part of a special pack because today is a special day. Let's take a look at this week's special pack story. Today is VE Day, which is a special day today because it is the 80th anniversary of VE Day. On the 8th of May, in 1945, people across Britain and in other parts of the world came together to celebrate the end of World War II in Europe. This is known as the Victory in Europe Day or VE Day. And as today is 8th of May 2025, we are celebrating the 80th anniversary of VE Day. VE Day marked the moment when the fighting stopped and people came together to celebrate peace and harmony after a long period of hardship and loss. Doreen Simpson was a child evacuee and during World War II went to go and stay with someone different for her safety. She mentioned that it is important to remember World War II because it's important to remember the veterans, but it's also important to remember the evacuees, as they are often forgotten about, as they went through many times of challenge too. How does the special pack story make you feel? Does it make you feel proud because of all of the hardship that people went through to come out and eventually be able to celebrate together? Does it make you feel excited because of all of the different ways that people celebrate and the ways that you can get involved? Let's take a look at the special pack picture. What do you see? Do you notice anything? What does it make you think? Do you have any questions? Let's have a look at the special pack question. Why is peace worth celebrating? Take a moment to discuss this as a class. Why does peace matter? Peace means laughter instead of fear and dreams instead of danger. When there is peace, families can stay together, children can go to school and people can build happy and safe lives. Peace gives everyone the chance to grow and learn. With our understanding of peace, how do we protect peace today? Today, countries work together through organisations like the United Nations or UN to solve problems, send help where it's needed, and to stand up for people's rights. 80 years on, we remember VE Day not just to commemorate the end of World War II, but to think about how to protect peace today and going forwards. Thank you for watching this week's virtual special pack picture news. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell to be alerted when we share our virtual news stories. If you haven't yet checked out some of the resources that we create as well, make sure you sign up to the mailing list and you'll receive a free sample of one of the packs full of some of the different resources. Bye for now.